Welcome everyone to Financial Lynx new broker partner portal. Today we'll be discussing the new portal, the features, and the updates you will receive once you're an approved broker with Financial Lynx. Once you have submitted the required documentations to become an approved broker with Financial Lynx, you will be receiving this unique link mapped to your company. This link will allow you to share it with your clients and partners when they're interested in applying with a business line of credit, SBA, or any other products provided by Financial Lynx. The first thing you will notice is that you will have this customized or white labeled to your company. You will be sending Financial Lynx your logo. We will be uploading over here. So that way, when you send an application to the client, they'll know that it's coming from you. On the back end, the application will be directly tied to Financial Lynx back office and underwriting team so they can quickly jump and start working on your file. Every file is tagged to you. So if there's any changes, any updates, or anything that's made within that file, you as the broker and partner will be notified. Once you send this link to the client will select the products that are currently available on the portal. Since this is a brand new program that we rolled out, we're starting with our most popular product, which is the unsecured line of credit. Now, in the future, we'll be rolling out the additional products that we have to offer. Anytime the client will choose a different program, whether it be equipment, real estate, SBA, the required information on the application will change. So the client will come in here. They can add your name here as well, not required because this is customized to the referring party. But let's say you work with another broker, an affiliate, or one of your team members that you want credited for this, you can put the team member's name on here so that you can also track who the application came from. The client will fill out any yellow mark is required to be completed. I advise you that the client fill out this as accurate as possible. Our back office team will be cross-referencing the uploaded documentation with the information that's provided here and will adjust accordingly. But the more adjustments have to be made, the more chances there are an error or something is missed. So we ask the client to be as diligent as possible when filling this information out. Now, the borrower type, it says here, always select entity. We do not work with trust. We do not work with retirement entities. So just click entity. Here, the client will submit all the information required. And at here, then we will ask for the information of the owners of the business. List all the owners of the business here. They will fill out this information. If there's additional members of the business, they can click here and add additional members. If they're here, we would ask for their debt, what debt they currently have outstanding. Again, they can click here to add the additional debts. At the end, they will review this. They will click here, who is the person that's signing the agreement, and they will sign and submit. Once they have submitted the information, they will quickly receive an email from Financial Lynx saying that they received and that we have received an inquiry. Here, you will see that the broker is CC'd on all correspondence to the client. The broker, as well as the Financial Lynx loan officer or the relationship manager that you have here at Financial Lynx. All our brokers have a dedicated relationship manager that they can call to with any questions or any statuses. Once the client receives this, they will see the required documentation. Now, all this documentation may not be required for our initial review, but when it's time to submit this to the bank, these are typically the items that the bank will look for. Now, this will also change according to the underwriter's request and what's needed. Once they click on this link, they will see the status of their loan as well as the required documentation. Now, if the underwriter has reviewed and okayed the documentation, they will put here that it's okay. If there's something incorrect, resend wrong document. You may go over here and you may see the notes that the client, that the underwriter has requested from the client. As you can see here, it says you uploaded the bylaws. Please submit the articles of incorporation filed, and so on. And you just click here and submit the correct documentation. Again, as you saw in the initial email, there was a lot of documentation required, but once the underwriter reviewed it, they noticed that only these documents were needed for the particular bank that we are working with. You then can also, once the client has uploaded documents, they'll hit save and submit, and they'll go on to the next part. Now, let's say the underwriter has reviewed the documentation and has okayed the documents. They will then change the status. Status has changed. The client will be automatically updated saying you are pre-qualified for a line of credit, signed to secure it. Again, the broker will be notified, the loan officer will be notified, and the client can click on here to view their what's required. So once we issue a proposal, it will be up here. It will be something like here. The client can download the proposal, review it, sign it, upload it back in here, and then submit it to us for review. I recommend that once a proposal issued, me as a broker will call the client to review the proposal and answer any questions and proceed accordingly. I would also encourage that you get your relationship manager with Financial Lynx involved to help you sell the agreement and answer any questions the client may have. Once the client has agreed and submitted, the file then gets sent to the bank. Again, a status will be changed that says your file has progressed. And then over here, you will see the current status is submitted to the bank, and so on and so forth. At this moment, you don't have to do anything. If it's submitted to the bank, it's in the bank's hands. Before your file actually gets submitted to the bank, there is an intro call that needs to be done, as always with Financial Lynx. If the status is changed to cleared for intro call, there's a required call with the loan officer, and this is your loan officer in which you would have to schedule or email the call with. Could then be easily emailed. When our loan officer calls the client, they know exactly who will be calling and the reason why. And again, your loan status here is cleared for intro call. If everything goes well, you will receive an congratulations, your application has been approved. Great news. We have been informed by the bank that your application has been approved. So with the new Financial Lynx portal, it would allow our partners to easily submit applications. The information will be uploaded. The information will be submitted directly to our underwriting team, and the whole process will be nice and easy